Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the outer oven door glass assembly in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Set the door handle side down on a towel or blanket. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 4 bottom screws securing the outer door panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the door handle and the inner panel assembly. Set the handle aside. Separate the inner door assembly from the outer panel. Remove the top door trim from the outer panel. Use a putty knife to help pry the side trim pieces free of the tape. You can now remove the old door glass. Install the new outer oven door glass assembly by inserting it into the channel in the frame. Realign the side trim pieces. You can use new double-sided tape to secure. Slide the top door trim onto the new glass. Join the inner door assembly and the outer door panel together. Realign the handle and fully thread the upper screws to secure it. Replace the 4 bottom screws. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.